In this box, guys, we have 6 mystery upgrades for my e-bike, starting from the cheapest and then working our way up to the most expensive. I'm kind of getting sick of these old grips because they're really like spiky when you're riding. Instead, we've got these ones. These are about to feel so good. Oh my days. Oh, okay, so this is the bigger one, you'd think. Let's hope it fits on. Guys, it's been 20 minutes and I couldn't get these on. Basically, the throttle is like too thick for it, so. Alrighty guys, so this next one, I think this is the right one. Alrighty, so this is everything that it came with, like literally everything. Alrighty, so I figured out how to turn it on, and it's actually like fairly bright, like. Oh, and it just literally clicks on like that. That's actually pretty sick. I'm actually gonna hold like that. And don't worry guys, we're gonna be testing out all of this stuff at the end of the video. Next upgrade, everybody. Oh, that's not the right thing. Hold on, that's another upgrade. Hold on. Alright, this is the right one. Hold on, boys. Got a mistake in there. Yeah, okay, gotta be careful not to cut it, but this is the stuff. This is like not really what I ordered. I kind of just wanted like, they kind of like only gave me one. So I might just chuck one on and see what it looks like. I don't know. I mean, I actually kind of like that. Hold on. Guys, go grab one of these e-bikes for yourself. They're so cheap, link in the description. And if you use code FLUX100, you can get $50 off at the checkout.
Link in description.
Alrighty guys, so the rest of these upgrades I'm going to be putting on my Talaria XXX Pro. So yeah, let's get into it. Guys, what we have here is a rear fender for my Talaria because when I bought it off the previous owner, it actually didn't come with one. So we're going to be chucking this on, and it should just, the description literally said it's for the Talaria X3 Pro. So that's really annoying, but let's just move on to the next one. Alrighty, so basically what we have here is, it's like a little pouch and it straps onto my, we'll just kind of feet under. This bit will go through and up here, but now I need to like, alright, I don't think that thing's moving anywhere, but now we need to test if it's actually going to hold my phone. And it opens up there. Guys, next up, chrome wrap for the forks. Alrighty guys, I'm actually not too sure on how to do this, so we're going to be kind of like doing this together. But I'm pretty sure the first step would be take this off so that we have a fully clean blank slate to like chuck all the chrome on. Alrighty, we found some clippers that can actually do the job. Now we should just be able to pull this off. There we go guys. Alright. I don't think any of this has ever been wiped down before. And then it will just kind of sit on there. Oh my god, that looks actually hard. Hold on. That looks so bad. I'm taking this off immediately. Okay, I need to do it again though. Let's try this again, guys. I don't know if it's gonna work any better this time because it's all like, there's all like weird little crinkles and stuff already on it. I don't really know. I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but this actually was my first time doing this. So there was a bit of a learning curve. And I also figured out that I could just use my student ID as like a squeegee to get all the air bubbles out, which was pretty handy. And from a distance, it actually doesn't look too bad, but if you get up close, you can notice a few little bits that could be a lot better. So yeah, now that I'm basically a professional at this, if anyone needs anything wrapped up, just hit me up because I got you. Also guys, we're trying to hit 3,000 subscribers. So if you're not already, if you could consider subscribing because it just kind of helps out the channel. Anyway guys, let me know what you think of the wrap in the comments. Yeah, I think I did a pretty good job. Alrighty guys, so the chrome wrap is done on the bike. But before I show you guys, we kind of have to clean all this up. So, bro, when I ordered all this stuff, I didn't realize how much of a mess it would actually make.